Okay, I'm going to show you how to bypass the temperature lock on the Navien water heaters. This is a 240A2. This is a newer model, so I couldn't find it in the instruction manual. Somehow I figured it out, but anyways, once you take the vent off in the front face, you're going to be met with these dip switches. These are mentioned in the manual, but these are not it. Okay, so here I have it set at 130. This came from the factory at 120 Fahrenheit. That was still too cold, so I upped it to 130. It's still kind of too cold. So how you're gonna unlock that temperature lock is this dip switch on the side of the panel. You see 1 and 2. Well, 2 is on, and that is the temperature lock. So flip that off, and then you'll probably get an error because the vent is off and there's a sensor that trips it, but I think you press M and then back, and you'll be back at the normal screen. Increase to 140. Okay, it's set. And then I'm going to set this switch back on right there. So right there, the temperature lock is once again back on. And oh shit, okay. So yep, it's, as you can see, locked at 140. I was able to change the temperature. These are not it. It is on the side right here. Surprisingly, it's not mentioned anywhere in the manual, so just thought I'd make a video about it. All right, later.